Bond characteristics. When two elements come closer to each other, they form a bond due to mutual sharing of electrons or transfer of electrons. दुईटा कुनै element चाहिँ सँगै आउँदाखेरि they form a bond with mutual sharing of electron or transfer electron, and such bond shows characteristics which we call bond characteristics. At first we are going to discuss bond length. दुईटा atom को nuclei बीचको distance लाई नै bond length भनिन्छ. Bond length चाहिँ single bond हो कि double bond हो त्यो अनुसार differ गर्छ. We can see in the figure carbon carbon single bond मा चाहिँ 154 pm distance छ भने carbon carbon double bond मा 134 pm distance छ. Bond length increases with increase in the size of a bonded atoms. Bonded atoms को size increase भए अनुसार bond length पनि increase हुन्छ. तर bond length decreases when there is increase in the number of bonds formed. Number of bonds चाहिँ बढी हुँदै गयो भने bond length चाहिँ decrease हुँदै जान्छ. अर्को छ bond angle. Bond angle depends mainly on lone pair repulsion and hybridization of central atom. हामीलाई valence bond theory बाट थाहा छ lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion and bond pair repulsion. So we can take an example of SO2 and CO2. Though both the central atom carbon and sulfur has two oxygen, the bond angle between carbon and oxygen is 180 degree. तर SO2 को bond angle चाहिँ 119.3 degree छ. किन भन्दाखेरि SO2 मा lone pair पनि present छ. So there is more repulsion between the lone pair which decreases the angle between the bond pair. अर्को फ्याक्टर भनेको hybridization जसमा चाहिँ bond angle depend गर्छ. Bond angle depends on hybridization of central atom. If the atom is sp hybridized, it generally forms linear, that is 180 degree bond. sp2 भयो भने trigonal planar, sp3 भयो भने tetrahedral. त्यसरी hybridization मा चाहिँ bond angle depend गर्छ. अर्को भनेको bond order. अघि bond length discuss गर्दा we talked about number of bond increase हुँदाखेरि bond length decrease हुने कुरा. It is again written here as bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. अनि if bond order comes out to be 0, the molecule does not exist. Bonding नै भएन भने bond order हुँदैन, molecule form हुँदैन. Bond enthalpy. अर्को छ bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy भनेको the amount of energy released when 1 mole of covalent bond is formed. एउटा mole of covalent bond form गर्नको लागि release भएको energy लाई नै bond enthalpy भनिन्छ. As the bond order increases, bond enthalpy also increases and bond length decreases. अर्को छ bond dissociation enthalpy. एउटा bond break गर्नलाई चाहिँ कति energy release हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ bond dissociation enthalpy भनिन्छ. Bond enthalpy र bond dissociation enthalpy are same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Bond बनाउन जति energy चाहिन्छ bond dissociate गर्न नि त्यति नै energy चाहिन्छ भनेर भनेको छ. Factors affecting bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy लाई चाहिँ mainly affect गर्ने factors हरु भनेको atomic size, electronegativity, extent of overlapping र bond order हो.